welcome. Are you interested in learning how to make a man miss you like crazy? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will unveil 6 astounding secrets that are guaranteed to make him want you more and more. These tips are so powerful that he'll be counting down the minutes until he can see you again. So, if you're ready to take your love life to the next level, stick around until the end of this video. After watching, you'll have the power to make any man miss you like crazy. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the importance of adding a touch of mystery to your relationship. Men love to explore and discover new things, so being a little mysterious can be the key to making him miss you like crazy. To do this, avoid always being readily available and make him work for your time. By keeping some things about yourself private, you'll let him discover new aspects of you slowly, which will keep him curious and wanting to know more. Remember, you don't have to share every detail of your life on social media. Keep some things to yourself and let him wonder what you're up to. Finally, let him chase you a little. Men love the thrill of the chase, so playing hard to get will make him appreciate you more and miss you when you're not around. By being a little mysterious, you'll make him curious and eager to know more about you, value your time, and appreciate you even more. Add a touch of mystery and watch him fall head over heels for you. Secondly, it's important to show him that you have a life outside of the relationship. Men love women who have their own friends, hobbies, and interests. By demonstrating that you have a fulfilling life beyond your relationship, he'll see you as a catch and want to be a part of it. Make time for your friends and maintain those relationships. Let him know about your hobbies and invite him to join you in activities you enjoy. Additionally, prioritize self-care and make time for yourself to do things that make you happy. Showing your man that you have a life outside of the relationship will make him want to be a part of it even more. By maintaining friendships, sharing your interests, and making time for yourself, you'll demonstrate that you're a well-rounded individual with your own passions. Next, show genuine interest in his life and hobbies. Make an effort to understand and appreciate the things he enjoys. Take an interest in his hobbies, favorite teams, or music preferences. Even if these things don't naturally align with your own interests, showing a willingness to learn and participate will strengthen your connection. Remember to give him space and time to pursue his hobbies without being overbearing. Showing interest in his life and making him feel special will deepen your bond and build a stronger connection. Playing hard to get can be a secret weapon when it comes to dating and relationships. Find that sweet spot where you're a little bit busy and a little bit hard to get, but still within reach. Make him work for your attention and time. Playing hard to get will have him chasing you like a lovesick puppy in no time. Let your inner flirt shine and play a bit hard to get. He'll be falling head over heels for you. When you're engaging in conversations with him, whether it's in person, over the phone, or through text, remember to be the one to end the conversation first. This subtle tease leaves him wanting more and creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. Look for a natural ending point in the conversation, like when the topic has been exhausted, or when he's about to go do something else. It's important to be respectful and considerate of his time. By ending the conversation first, you'll make him miss you and long for more interactions. Finally, be happy and content with yourself. Nothing is more attractive than a woman who is happy and fulfilled on her own. When you radiate positivity and confidence, people are naturally drawn to you. While it's great to have him be a part of your happiness, showing him that you're happy without him will make him want to be a part of it even more. Focus on yourself, do things that make you happy, and let the rest fall into place. Remember, happy girls are the prettiest, and there's nothing more attractive than a woman who is content with herself. These tips are not only for getting a man's attention, but also for building a strong and healthy relationship. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship advice. Leave a comment below and let me know which secret you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.